turbo. Got the 70 GTO, and we're gonna make it do some yard work. Probably shouldn't do this, but whatever. See how many it could handle. Ready? These big suckers. I'm gonna try to get 9. Alright, this is what I would not do with your 70 GTO. It's loaded up with, I don't even know, 600 pounds of, or yeah, something like that in the trunk. Let's see how it does. I'm afraid I might be maxing out these tires. Bias ply tires, this is not ideal. Less than that. How tough are American cars? About to answer your question. They're putting 600 pounds in the GTO. All right. The baby's feeling the pressure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She is squatting. Make sure. Oh. I can't really make sure nothing down here. It's so low now. It'll be fine. I did this yesterday with less weight. Or maybe the same. Alright, here we go. Testing it out with 600 pounds in the back. It's 700 or 800. I don't even know. Yeah. On the road here in Santa Rosa, or it's Windsor, but going back. Take it nice, slow. Oh yeah, she's bouncy, bouncy in the back. Okay, so prognosis: it does not feel awesome going over bumps. Feels kind of horrible. Not too bad. Only thing I'm worried about is my fuel line possibly melted on my exhaust, because it could potentially be close enough now, because I've never anyways, but hopefully the exhaust isn't hot all the way back there, so even if it did touch, hopefully it wouldn't do anything. But alright, here we go. Alright, this feels pretty weird with 600 pounds or 700 pounds in the trunk. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. Whoa, look at this road. Ah! It's horrible. So bad. Alright. Slightly better now. We're gonna go nice and slow. We're just going 49 miles per hour, 50 now. Alright, I'll update you in a bit. Alright, little update. I just got off the freeway. It felt extremely sketchy going into a turn at 65. It was like, woo, 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 which is the 600 pounds at the far back did not feel good. Anyways, gonna get to the job and I'll update you then. So I'm in the hills right now. You turn one way at the slow speed, it whips around really well because it has like 700 pounds in the back. On the freeway, it feels like hell at 65, but here, I mean, it still feels kind of sketchy, but it just turns so good because that weight, I don't even know. It probably doesn't actually turn that good. It's just me being crazy.